Namaste bachcho. Today let's start this class with a new chapter, chapter number 13, that is part 13, and the name of the chapter is Sabse Bada Tyag, that means the biggest sacrifice. Here Tyag means sacrifice. So first let's see the summary of this chapter. You all know that we have different seasons. This is a story about a king and the different seasons. One day the king called all the seasons to his court because he wanted to decide which is the best season. The main theme of this story is that we should face all the difficulties very bravely and we should work very hard. And we can become a great human being by living for others. So first let's do the Kathin Shabd, that means the difficult words. And the words are Ritu means season, Sannata means silence, Dunya means world, Shishir means winter, Prani means creature, Nirnay means decision. Now let's read this chapter. The first heading is Part Pravesh, that means lesson introduction. The first line, प्रस्तुत पाठ में दर्शाया गया है कि कोई कितना भी सुंदर क्यों ना हो, पर यदि वह अपने लिए जीता है तो वह बड़ा नहीं होता. Here the word darshaya means show, and the meaning is that this chapter shows that no matter how beautiful you are, the person cannot be a great human being if he or she lives for himself. जो दूसरों के लिए जीते हैं वही बड़े होते हैं. That means the person who lives for others is the great human being. So let's read this chapter. First paragraph. एक समय की बात है, that means once upon a time, सभी ऋतुएं राजा के दरबार में बुलाई गई. Here ऋतुएं means season, दरबार means the king's court. So all the seasons were called in the king's court. छहों ऋतुएं सभा में उपस्थित हुई. So here छहों means 6. So all the 6 seasons were present in the king's court. Vasant means spring season, Grishma means summer season, Varsha means rainy season, Sharad means autumn season, Hemant means pre-winter season, Shishir means winter. So these are the 6 seasons. राजा जानना चाहता था कि सबसे अच्छी ऋतु कौन सी है. So here जानना चाहता था means he wanted to know. So the king wanted to know which is the best season. Next paragraph. राजा ने ऋतुओं से कहा. So the king said, सुनो बहनों, बहनों means sister. Listen sisters, आप सबकी अपनी अपनी खास बातें हैं. Here खास means special. He is saying that you all have special things in you. लेकिन मैं यह निश्चय नहीं कर पाया कि आप में सबसे अच्छी ऋतु कौन सी है. निश्चय means decide. So the king is not able to decide which is the best season. Next paragraph. सभा में सन्नाटा छा गया. Here sabha means assembly, sannata means silence. So there was silence in the assembly. कुछ देर बाद वसंत ऋतु ने घमंड से कहा. So after some time, Vasant, that means the spring season, proudly said, मैं सबसे अच्छी हूँ. I am the best. क्योंकि जब मैं आती हूँ, because when I come, तो चारों तरफ सुंदर फूल खिल जाते हैं. So when I come, beautiful flower blooms all around. खुशबू फैल जाती है. The fragrance spread everywhere. और खूबसूरती बिखर जाती है. And the beauty shatters all around. इसलिए मैं ही सबसे अच्छी हूँ. And because of this, I am the best. Next paragraph. वर्षा ने कहा. So now the rainy season said, महाराज की जय हो. महाराज, सबसे अच्छी ऋतु मैं हूँ. King, I am the best season. क्योंकि मैं ही सारी दुनिया को जल देती हूँ. Because I am the one who gives water to the whole world. सारी दुनिया means whole world. यदि वर्षा नहीं होगी तो ना पेड़ बचेंगे और ना ही यह दुनिया. So here the meaning is that if there is no rain, there would be no trees and there would be no life in the world. Next page, that is 78. राजा ने अन्य ऋतुओं की ओर देखते हुए कहा. So the king, he looked at all the other seasons and said, और किसी को कुछ कहना है? So he is asking, anyone else wants to say something? So kids, this much for today. The other half of the chapter we'll discuss in the next class. So the activity is, you have to read the first 10 lines of this chapter, record it and submit in Teams. That's all for today. We'll meet in the next class. Dhanyavad.